Hello folks, welcome to Physics A. So this would be the first part or first semester of physics. And all I'm going to do with this is just give you a really quick walkthrough on how to navigate the class. So when you've logged in, this is going to be the first thing that you're doing right now is how to navigate this class. It's just a quick tutorial, and after it you're going to notice that there's a check-in. So the basic process, and as you know, most of the requirements are just to complete the work, all the work, getting a 60% average or higher, and then you also need to earn a certain amount of hours. So the way the class is going to kind of force you through that is to have either resources or an assignment followed by a check-in. Resource or assignment and a check-in, and you'll see each one on here has a parenthesis showing how much each one of them is worth. So once you get done with watching this video, just click on the check-ins. They're very, very simple. It's just going to ask, did you complete this previous assignment? So once you're done with this, you say, yes, I've completed it. And that will digitally log a 30-minute time frame for this assignment. Then you're going to move on to the next thing. That will say, what is physics? It's just an overview or an introduction to what physics is. You will find the resources are either included right in the assignment, or if there is even supplemental resources for you to work on, I'll have that in front of the assignment also, and I'll show you how that's differentiated. You can preview the questions if you want. So if you don't want to go through the resource first, you can preview the questions because there are multiple attempts on all the tests and assignments that you're going to do. So keep following that process, do the check-in. You will see for some of these, so I'll move to the second module, I have some items that are listed as not graded. That just means it's a resource you don't have to use or access or complete if you don't need to or you don't want to. For example, the metric conversion practice problem is the actual assignment here, and it says graded. In addition, you're going to see a point value at the bottom. Those are all ways that you can identify if it's something you need to do. These don't have due dates. They say not graded, and there's no points. So just know that you don't have to. Anything with points or says graded, check-ins, like you have to do all of those. So with that said, you could complete this and do the check-in. If you do well enough on it, you can just move on. But if you do the metric conversions a couple times and it isn't going real well, you can go back to these resources. So that's basically it. Monitor your grade. If you got questions about like how many hours you got done so far, you can certainly email me. But really the visual here is as you work from top to bottom, just look at all the total modules. If there's 10 modules and you got through 5 of them, then you're halfway done with the hours and the work. So it should be pretty straightforward. But either way, feel free to email me if you have questions. Thank you very much.